Infrown Desk Online Training. Infrown Desk, revolutionizing IT service management for the modern enterprise. Infrown Desk is a comprehensive IT service management (ITSM) solution designed to meet the evolving needs of modern enterprises. With its focus on efficiency, automation, and user-centric features, Infrown Desk aims to revolutionize how organizations manage IT services. Here's how. 1. Streamlined IT service delivery. Unified Service Platform. Infrown Desk consolidates multiple ITSM functions, incident management, problem management, change management, and asset management, into a single platform. Self-service portal empowers users to resolve common issues independently, reducing the load on IT support teams. Customizable workflows, tailor-made workflows to match organizational processes ensure flexibility and adherence to company policies. 2. AI-driven automation. Intelligent ticketing, automated ticket assignment and prioritization based on AI insights streamline issue resolution. Predictive analytics anticipate IT disruptions before they occur, enabling proactive measures and minimizing downtime. Chatbots, AI-powered virtual assistants for immediate resolution of common queries, enhancing end-user satisfaction. 3. Integration capabilities. Cross-platform compatibility. Infrown Desk integrates seamlessly with other enterprise tools such as CRMs, ERPs, and collaboration platforms, ensuring data continuity. API support enables customized integrations to fit unique enterprise needs. 4. Enhanced user experience. Mobile-first approach, access IT services anytime, anywhere with a mobile-optimized interface. Intuitive dashboard, a visually appealing, user-friendly dashboard provides a snapshot of key metrics and service performance. 5. Compliance and security. Regulatory adherence features compliance monitoring for industry standards like ITIL, ISO 20000, and GDPR. Data security, advanced encryption and access control mechanisms protect sensitive organizational data. 6. Scalability for growing enterprises. Cloud-native architecture. Infrown Desk's cloud capabilities allow it to scale effortlessly as the organization grows. Performance monitoring, real-time analytics and performance insights help in scaling IT resources effectively. 7. Cost-effective IT management. Optimized resource utilization. By automating routine tasks, Infrown Desk reduces dependency on human intervention, cutting costs. Subscription-based model, flexible pricing tailored to enterprise size and requirements makes it an affordable ITSM solution. Unlocking the power of Infrown Desk, key features that enhance efficiency. Infrown Desk is a comprehensive IT service management (ITSM) platform designed to optimize workflow, enhance operational efficiency, and improve service delivery. Its key features focus on automation, collaboration, and intuitive user interfaces. Here's a look at the primary features that enhance efficiency in Infrown Desk. 1. Automated workflows and task management. Infrown Desk simplifies service desk operations through automation, helping to streamline tasks like incident logging, request management, and ticket assignments. Automated workflows reduce manual effort and ensure quicker response times, improving overall service efficiency. 2. Incident and problem management. The platform offers robust incident and problem management capabilities. By tracking and resolving incidents systematically, it helps reduce downtime and prevent recurring issues. Problem management ensures that root causes are addressed, leading to long-term improvements in service availability. 3. Self-service portal. InfraOnDesk provides a user-friendly self-service portal that allows end users to submit requests, view knowledge base articles, and track the status of their tickets. This reduces the workload on support teams and empowers users to find solutions independently, thereby enhancing efficiency. 4. AI-powered chatbots. The integration of AI-driven chatbots helps automate routine support tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, resolving common issues, and guiding users through troubleshooting processes. This reduces the dependency on human agents and accelerates response times. 5. Real-time collaboration. InfraOnDesk enables real-time collaboration among support teams, making it easier to escalate and resolve issues. Collaboration tools like internal chat and shared ticket views ensure that the right resources are allocated to resolve complex problems efficiently. 6. Knowledge management. The platform's knowledge management feature helps build and maintain a repository of solutions, best practices, and FAQs. This empowers support teams with ready access to helpful resources, enabling faster resolutions and reducing redundancies in service delivery. 7. Customizable dashboards and reporting. InfraOnDesk offers customizable dashboards that provide a real-time overview of key performance indicators, KPIs, and ticket statuses. Detailed reporting tools help in tracking service levels, agent performance, and user satisfaction, enabling teams to identify areas for improvement. 8. Service Level Management, SLM. InfraOnDesk includes service level management, allowing IT teams to define and enforce service level agreements, SLAs, for various service requests. This ensures that service delivery is aligned with customer expectations and helps improve accountability and efficiency. 9. Integrated IT Asset Management. With integrated IT asset management, InfraOnDesk provides complete visibility into the hardware and software assets in use. This enables better management of resources, ensuring that assets are utilized effectively and reducing redundant purchases. 10. Mobile accessibility. The platform offers mobile access, ensuring that support agents and end users can manage incidents, tickets, and requests while on the go. Mobile functionality helps teams stay responsive and improves accessibility, particularly for remote or field-based staff. Streamline your operations with InfraOnDesk's unified ITSM platform. InfraOnDesk is a unified IT service management (ITSM) platform designed to streamline and enhance IT operations. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools to automate, manage, and optimize IT service delivery, focusing on improving efficiency, user experience, and operational agility. Here are some key features and benefits of InfraOnDesk. Key features: Incident management. Infrown Desk helps automate and manage incident resolution processes, ensuring minimal downtime and quick recovery. It provides a streamlined workflow for incident detection, prioritization, and resolution. Change management. The platform simplifies change management processes by tracking requests, approvals, and implementations. It ensures that changes are carried out efficiently while minimizing risks to IT services. Service Catalog. Infrown Desk allows organizations to create a comprehensive service catalog that helps end users easily request IT services. This improves accessibility and self-service capabilities. Problem management. The platform identifies recurring issues and implements root cause analysis to prevent future incidents. This proactive approach helps in minimizing disruptions. Asset management. Infrown Desk provides tools to manage IT assets throughout their life cycle, from procurement to retirement. This improves visibility and control over the organization's IT infrastructure. Automation. Infrown Desk incorporates powerful automation tools to handle routine tasks, reducing manual effort and human error. This includes automated ticket routing, notifications, and workflows. Knowledge management. The platform includes a knowledge base that allows users to access solutions to common issues, reducing dependency on IT teams and improving user satisfaction. Reports and analytics. Infrown Desk offers detailed reporting and analytics features, providing insights into IT operations, service performance, and areas for improvement. Integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with other enterprise systems such as CRM, ERP, and monitoring tools, ensuring smooth data flow and collaboration across departments. Multi-channel support. Infrown Desk supports various communication channels like email, chat, and phone, ensuring that users can easily request support and receive assistance. Benefits. Increased efficiency. By automating routine processes and providing self-service options, Infrown Desk improves the efficiency of IT teams and reduces response times. Improved user experience. The intuitive interface and service catalog make it easy for end users to submit requests, track incidents, and access solutions. Enhanced visibility. Real-time dashboards and reporting give IT leaders greater visibility into service performance, helping them make data-driven decisions. Cost savings. Automation and process optimization lead to cost reductions by eliminating manual work and minimizing service disruptions. Infrown Desk in action, real-world applications and success stories. Infrown Desk is a powerful IT service management, ITSM, and IT operations management, ITOM, platform that enables organizations to automate and streamline their IT support processes. It integrates multiple capabilities to deliver a unified service experience and improve the efficiency of IT operations. Here are some real-world applications and success stories of Infrown Desk in action. 1. Enhanced IT support for a global manufacturing firm. A global manufacturing company was facing challenges with managing a large volume of IT support tickets, often resulting in delays and inefficiencies. By implementing Infrown Desk, the company automated ticket routing, categorized incidents based on urgency and complexity, and set up automated workflows for resolution. This resulted in reduced response and resolution times, improved first contact resolution rates, streamlined escalation processes, ensuring critical issues were addressed quickly. The company's IT team could now focus on high-priority tasks, leading to better overall service delivery. 2. Optimized service desk operations for a healthcare provider. A healthcare provider with multiple locations struggled with providing timely IT support across its network of hospitals and clinics. Infrown Desk's multi-location support, along with its mobile and remote support features, helped the organization streamline IT ticket management. Key outcomes included centralized management of IT incidents and requests, the ability to track and monitor incidents from anywhere, automated communication with end users, ensuring they were always updated on their support requests. This significantly reduced downtime and helped the provider maintain operational continuity in critical healthcare environments. 3. Cost reduction in IT management for an e-commerce giant. An e-commerce company with a complex IT infrastructure was incurring high costs due to manual IT service management processes and inefficiencies in handling incidents. After adopting Infrown Desk, the company achieved automated service request workflows, cutting down on the need for manual intervention. Predictive analytics for identifying potential issues before they impacted the business. Enhanced self-service portals for users to resolve common IT issues independently. These improvements led to a reduction in overall IT management costs and helped the e-commerce business scale more efficiently during peak sales periods. 4. Proactive incident management in a financial institution. A large financial institution implemented Infrown Desk to improve its incident management and enhance user experience. By leveraging Infrown Desk's proactive monitoring and automation capabilities, the institution was able to detect and resolve issues before they escalated into major incidents. Automate common service requests, such as password resets, to reduce the workload on IT support teams. Implement a knowledge base that empowered employees to resolve simple issues independently. Future-ready ITSM, how Infrown Desk adapts to evolving business needs. Infrown Desk is an IT service management (ITSM) platform designed to help organizations deliver high-quality services while adapting to the evolving needs of modern business environments. As businesses increasingly face new challenges like rapid digital transformation, automation demands, and more complex service requirements, Infrown Desk offers features and capabilities that keep pace with these changes. Here's how Infrown Desk adapts to evolving business needs. 1. Scalability for growing businesses. Infrown Desk is designed to scale as your business grows. Whether you're a small company or a large enterprise, the platform can expand with you. It supports high transaction volumes, allowing businesses to seamlessly increase the number of users, incidents, and service requests without impacting performance. 2. Automation and AI integration. With automation becoming crucial for modern ITSM operations, InfraOnDesk incorporates advanced automation features that reduce manual intervention, enhance operational efficiency, and improve response times. AI-driven chatbots, self-service portals, and automated workflows ensure that repetitive tasks are managed autonomously, allowing your IT teams to focus on more complex issues. 3. Omnichannel support. InfraOnDesk offers omnichannel support, allowing users to interact with the platform through various channels, including email, chat, mobile apps, and even voice. This flexibility enhances user satisfaction and ensures a seamless experience regardless of how requests are submitted. 4. Cloud and hybrid environments. As businesses transition to hybrid and multi-cloud environments, InfraOnDesk provides cloud-based solutions that support both on-premises and cloud infrastructures. This flexibility allows organizations to manage services across a diverse IT environment, ensuring consistency and compliance across all platforms. 5. Integration with other tools and platforms. In an era where businesses use a wide range of tools and platforms, InfraOnDesk supports seamless integration with various third-party applications and systems, including monitoring tools, asset management platforms, and collaboration tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This integration ensures that all aspects of IT service management are aligned and streamlined. 6. Advanced analytics and reporting. InfraOnDesk provides powerful analytics and reporting capabilities, enabling organizations to track performance, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions. Customizable dashboards, reports, and KPIs ensure that businesses can stay on top of their ITSM processes and adapt quickly to any shifts in business needs. 7. Enhanced security and compliance. As regulatory requirements evolve, InfraOnDesk keeps businesses compliant with data security standards and policies. The platform offers features like role-based access control, RBAC, data encryption, and audit trails to ensure that sensitive information is protected, while also facilitating adherence to industry regulations. 8. Service Catalog and Request Management. InfraOnDesk enables businesses to create and manage dynamic service catalogs that evolve with business needs. Service requests can be easily customized to reflect the latest products, services, and workflows, allowing users to quickly access the services they need while ensuring the IT department is always aligned with business priorities. InfraOnDesk's AI-powered automation, transforming service delivery. InfraOnDesk's AI-powered automation is designed to revolutionize service delivery by improving efficiency, enhancing accuracy, and reducing operational costs. Here are some key aspects of how it transforms service delivery. 1. Intelligent Incident Management. AI-driven ticketing. AI can automatically categorize and prioritize incidents based on their severity, reducing manual intervention and speeding up response times. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical data to predict potential incidents, allowing for proactive measures before issues escalate. Auto-resolution. AI can suggest or even implement automatic solutions for common incidents, improving resolution time and reducing workloads on IT teams. 2. Enhanced service request fulfillment. Virtual assistants, AI-powered virtual agents can assist users in submitting service requests, answering frequently asked questions, and guiding users through troubleshooting steps. Automation of routine tasks. AI can automate repetitive tasks such as password resets, software installations, and service request approvals, freeing up staff to focus on more complex issues. Self-service portals. AI can enhance self-service portals, making them smarter by providing relevant information based on user profiles and request history. 3. Smart workflow automation. Automated workflows. AI can help create intelligent workflows that route tasks based on predefined rules and historical patterns. These workflows can adapt to changing situations, improving both speed and accuracy. Task assignment. AI can assign tasks to the appropriate staff based on their expertise and current workload, optimizing resource allocation. 4. Analytics and reporting. Real-time monitoring. AI can continuously monitor service delivery metrics, providing insights into potential bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Data-driven insights. With AI, Infront Desk can analyze large amounts of data and deliver insights that inform decision-making and continuous improvement efforts. 5. Improved customer experience. Personalization. AI can track user interactions and preferences to personalize service offerings, improving customer satisfaction. Faster response times. AI's automation capabilities reduce the time taken to acknowledge and resolve service requests, leading to quicker issue resolution. 6. Cost efficiency. Reducing manual efforts. Automating routine tasks reduces the need for manual intervention, leading to significant savings in time and labor costs. Optimized resource usage. AI-driven automation helps allocate resources more efficiently, avoiding overstaffing or understaffing. Why businesses choose Infront Desk for scalable and reliable IT management. Businesses choose Infront Desk for scalable and reliable IT management because of its robust features designed to streamline IT operations, enhance productivity, and improve overall service delivery. Some of the key reasons for its adoption include scalability. Infront Desk can easily scale to meet the growing needs of businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, it can handle increased workloads, users, and IT assets without compromising on performance. This makes it ideal for businesses that anticipate growth or need flexible solutions to handle changing demands. Automation and efficiency. Infront Desk automates key IT processes, including incident management, service request management, and change management. By reducing manual tasks, it boosts operational efficiency, reduces human error, and speeds up response times to IT issues, leading to quicker resolution and higher user satisfaction. Centralized IT management. Infront Desk provides a unified platform for IT service management, allowing businesses to manage all IT operations from a single console. This helps in reducing silos and improving collaboration across IT teams, ensuring more effective problem resolution and system monitoring. Integration capabilities. it integrates seamlessly with a wide range of IT tools and third-party applications, ensuring that businesses can consolidate their IT management efforts and leverage existing systems without disruption. Customizable dashboards and reporting. Infrown Desk offers customizable dashboards and detailed reporting capabilities that provide insights into IT performance, ticketing trends, and resource usage. This enables businesses to make data-driven decisions and improve IT service delivery over time. Service Level Management (SLM). The platform includes strong service level agreement (SLA) management tools, allowing businesses to track performance against SLAs and ensure that service delivery aligns with expectations. This helps in maintaining service reliability and customer satisfaction. Self-service portal. Infrown Desk provides a user-friendly self-service portal for end users, reducing the load on IT support teams. Users can easily submit tickets, request services, and check the status of their requests, which accelerates issue resolution and enhances user experience. Security and compliance. Infrown Desk offers robust security features and compliance management tools, ensuring that IT management adheres to industry standards and regulations. This is critical for businesses that handle sensitive data or need to meet strict compliance requirements. 24/7 support and monitoring. With round-the-clock monitoring and support, businesses can ensure their IT infrastructure is always up and running. This reduces downtime and prevents potential issues from escalating, keeping critical systems operational at all times. Why choose ProExcellency for Infrown Desk online training? ProExcellency could be a strong choice for Infrown Desk online training for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency likely offers trainers with in-depth knowledge and real-world experience in Infrown Desk, providing learners with valuable insights and practical expertise. Comprehensive curriculum. Their online training programs typically cover a wide range of topics, ensuring that participants gain a holistic understanding of Infrown Desk and its functionalities, including incident management, service management, and reporting. Flexible learning. ProExcellency may offer flexible learning options, allowing learners to access training materials at their own pace and convenience, making it easier for individuals to balance work and study. Hands-on experience. The training might include hands-on exercises, real-world scenarios, and use case demonstrations, which can help reinforce theoretical concepts and improve practical skills. Customer support. ProExcellency could offer dedicated support during and after the training to assist with any questions or challenges, ensuring that learners receive continuous assistance. Certification. Upon successful completion, ProExcellency may offer certifications that validate participants' expertise in Infrown Desk, which can be a valuable asset in advancing one's career. Post-training resources. They might provide ongoing access to resources like webinars, forums, or updated materials, helping learners stay up to date with the latest features and best practices. Thank you.